In the Applications of Neuroscience class, we have the neuroscience students in the classroom discussing the neurobiology underlying different memory impairments. And then they go down to the Home Away from Home Respite for a service learning component where they volunteer with memory impaired senior citizens.
The Home Away from Home is a respite program for families in Livingston County who are dealing with memory-related issues. The caregivers bring their loved ones here and drop them off for a few hours a week, and we spend time with them playing games. We have coffee and conversation. We have lunch together. The student volunteers are instrumental to the program. We wouldn't be able to have this program without them.
It's like one thing to kind of read a textbook and like get a definition for like all of these memory related illnesses, but it's a whole nother thing to see how they actually manifest in different people and how even if they have the same diagnosis, it could be completely different and they experience different symptoms.
The academic value to me is incredible. The students actually get to see what it looks like to have memory impairments. So I can tell them, hey, your hippocampus is involved in here. But they go to the respite and they see, wow, without having your hippocampus be kicking on where we needed to and doing the function that it's supposed to do, we can see what that looks like in daily life.
I feel very privileged to just be able to be there because every time that I see a caregiver drop off a participant, it's just, like, it's very heartfelt. And it's kind of an emotional thing to see someone struggle with memory loss and to humanize that from something that I've only heard from textbooks or in class has been, like, immensely just, like, impactful on me.
My husband is Russ Harvey, and he comes to Home Away from Home, and he has since the beginning of Home Away from Home.
It's something that I look forward to because this is like an extra incentive for me to get involved in situations.
It is a gift to me to see him enthusiastic and participating.
I'm super grateful for the opportunity to do the Home Away from Home program. I think I learned so much from it, and I love that you can directly see the impact, and it's not like tedious work. You just go and play games and have fun, and it just does so much for the community.
These people have led years of life before them, and there's so much to learn if you just listen, and I think it's just taught me to like really listen to someone, and that sometimes participants and patients and in my future aren't always going to know how to advocate for themselves, so you have to be the one to look out for them. There's just so much love in that kind of environment, and I'm just very appreciative to be a part of it and to like continue to learn from it.